Hello, everyone. My name is Kanika Singleton. I'm a Dancing for Him Level 2 student. My AP is Monique Manzette. Today, we're going to be talking about the use of veils and scarves in worship dance. What's cool is there's so many options as far as how to move with them and how to add them to your pieces. And as we kind of really think about the meaning of veils, we recognize that they can represent separation, as they did in tabernacle times. The tabernacle veil separated those who had sin on them from the holy places. It can also represent a covering, similar to that in Psalms 91, where we are and we rest in his shadow and we're covered by his feathers. And it can also be a hiding place in which we can submit to the Father and go to be in his presence. Because just as Moses, after he had experienced the glory of the Father, he had to veil his face because the glory was so strong. And then they can also represent a space of submission and reverence, and just really thinking about how the veil, in Jesus' time, the veil was torn. So we no longer had to have the veil to separate us from things that are holy, but we could now have direct access to Jesus the Father because now our sin was covered, our sin was erased. And so here we can use our veil in so many different ways. We can stretch our veil behind us and really kind of let it flow at an angle. We can use the veil to move up and down. We can use the veil to sway back and forth, just truly letting the veil itself do the movement. You can take it behind you in a figure 8 pattern. You can even take it, and if you're really moving, you can run it behind you and let it flow, and you can let it move like this. And so it just gives you so many options. And even as you come together, you can go in a group and just imagine there's 3 of us and we're here all in a star and we move in a circle. Imagine now there's 2, you can trade places with the veil. And so a simple 8-count movement would be something like you take the veil and together we would go sway 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could also do another 8-count where you pivot 1, 2, and walk, and then run backwards with it. That didn't flow quite the way I wanted, so let's do one more time. And so you pivot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it just gives you lots of options as far as how you can move with your veil.